Here we come to the elevators at the Biochemistry and Biophysics building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. Look at that rare call button. Look at that. I've never seen a call button like that before. 4. I believe these are computomatic systems. I'll go and ring the bell. Oh, it's already lit. I'm gonna stop out on intermediate floor. Wow, this is fast. There's your call button right there. Look at that, so this is your intermediate call station right there. Huh. That is one of the rarest call buttons that I've ever seen for a Dover elevator. Let's go down the one and we'll capture the other car. Oh, look at the LED. We're gonna capture that car right there. These are from 1988. Bulbs burned out. Four. Forgot to check the phone box in the other elevator. Indicator's completely burned out on this one. Instant door closes. Your phone? Just gonna go out. There it goes, and that's it.